Ever printed a custom Python object and got something like user object at memory address 0x1023? That's because Python doesn't know how to display your object. Let's fix that. The first method is underscore 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 underscore. This defines how your object looks when converted to a string or printed. It's meant for end users, so make it readable and friendly. Here's a user class that returns a nice greeting when printed. This is what people see in your app. The second method is underscore underscore reaper underscore underscore. This is for developers and debugging. The goal is to return a string that could recreate the object. Notice the format, it looks like actual Python code. When you inspect objects in the console or debugger, this is what you'll see. So what's the difference? Underscore underscore stir is for end users, making output human readable. Underscore underscore reaper is for developers, showing how to recreate the object. Think of stir as friendly and reaper as technical. Here's how Python decides which to use. When you call print, Python tries underscore underscore stir first. If that's not defined, it falls back to underscore underscore reaper. If neither exists, you get that ugly memory address. So define at least one, preferably both. To make objects printable, define underscore underscore stir for user-friendly output and underscore underscore reaper for debugging. Your future self will thank you. Practice this on your next class and master Python object representation. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.